Cumin has long remained one of the most popular spices in the world. Not only is it used in numerous recipes to enhance its flavor, but it also provides numerous health benefits and contains medicinal properties. To easily make your own cumin tea at home, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of the spice and add it to about 2 cups of water. Let the water boil and then reduce heat and let the mixture steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the liquid into your cup and let cool to your desired temperature. You can add 1 teaspoon of organic honey to the tea for additional health benefits. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of consuming cumin tea regularly. First, cumin tea is packed with many different vitamins, minerals, and other healthy nutrients that can promote our overall health. Cumin tea is an excellent source of iron, manganese, calcium, magnesium, thiamin, and zinc, among many others. It is also a good source of dietary fibre, plant compounds, and anti-inflammatory properties. Cumin tea can also help to promote proper digestion and treat unwanted digestive ailments. It has long been used to help treat indigestion. When consumed regularly, cumin tea can help to increase the activity of important digestive enzymes, which can help with proper digestion. Importantly, cumin tea can also help to release bile from the liver, which can help in the digestion of nutrients in the gut. Not only does cumin tea contain a number of important nutrients, but it is also an antioxidant powerhouse that can help to boost immunity and reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases. These antioxidant plant compounds include flavonoids, phenols, and alkaloids, which can help to fight and reduce free radicals and oxidative stress in the body that can lead to unwanted diseases. Regular consumption of cumin tea can also help to improve the overall health of our cardiovascular system and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Several studies have shown that cumin and cumin tea can help to improve blood cholesterol levels when consumed regularly. Bad LDL cholesterol oxidation was reduced while good HDL cholesterol was shown to increase. Cumin tea can also help to fight inflammation throughout the body, which can damage the cardiovascular system and lead to chronic diseases, such as heart disease. Lastly, consuming cumin tea regularly can help to reduce unwanted bacteria in the body that can weaken the immune system and other parts of the body. This is because cumin tea has tremendous antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Not only that, but cumin tea also has antibiotic properties that can again promote our overall health and reduce bad bacteria. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.